I'm Kim Kesti, Creative Director at Fun Stampers Journey, and I'm totally excited to be here to share a product spotlight with you. Now, we do our product spotlights on particular projects in the catalog. Sometimes it's our favorite, sometimes it's something we just need to give you a little bit more education on. Well, the first is the case today because I am going to share one of my favorite projects from the inspiration book and catalog. Are you guys ready? Do you want to check out what section it's from? Let's take a look at the catalog. So way in the back of your catalog, like way in the back, is this amazing section called Tools. Love this section. It has all the things we need to craft all the things, right? So we go through and we have, our amazing new scoring board, and we have our piercing pad, our punches. So all the fun things, but you keep going and you get to this fun page. Now this is our storage page where we have our classic storage containers, both in the striped and in the really pretty metallic silver. But if you guys checked out this fun little guy, this is what I'm going to feature today. It's called the Journey Letterboard, and it is so much fun. It's kind of hard to see in the picture, so I thought this is going to be an amazing opportunity for me to show it to you in real life and show you why I love it so much. So let's grab the box and open it up, should we? Oh my gosh. So it comes packaged, of course, in this nice, effective cardboard packing, and not only that, but it also is wrapped in bubble wrap because this thing is amazing. It is a wonderful decor piece. It's going to be perfect for so many areas in your home. I'm really opening this for the first time here, folks, this particular one. Now, this letterboard comes with a full set of all the letters. So I think someone had questioned that earlier, like, does it come with the letters? Oh, absolutely comes with multiples of every letter you would ever need. And then the actual letterboard itself is a felt surface on the letterboard with a solid wood frame. This is not any kind of cheapy frame. It's not plastic. It's not fake wood. Like, this is the real deal. This is going to look amazing in any number of spots in your area. So I'm going to show you how to clip apart these little letters. It could not be easier. I think you're going to have to come up with a fun, creative way to store these letters. Maybe it's our little corrugated box. Maybe it's a fun little dish you have. But I've got here our craft shears, which are also in the tools section. Fancy that. These are our amazing craft shears, and they're perfect for snipping these letters apart. So all you do is just come along, snip all of them. You don't have to snip all of them unless you want to. You could just take them as you need them and keep these little frames. But when I opened mine, I went ahead and snipped all the letters off. So couldn't be any easier than that, right? And then all the little letters have a little backing on it. Ooh, good job, Roy. We're going to get in here real close. So they just fit right in the seams of the letter. So you can write all your fun little things. Let's just write you, because you are going to have so much fun with this letterboard. So that's it. They just pop right in there. Spell anything you want. You do have a fun extra characters, some little arrows and some fun things. But let's take a look at one letterboard that I created that I put in my office here at the Journey Station. Do you guys want to take a peek? You know you do. You can add so many different fun quotes to this. This is just one particular quote that I picked out. It's all about creativity because, we're a creative team, aren't we? Love that one. So you can also use the letterboard in any number of places. We'd have a couple more examples for you that I would love to share. One of them is a letterboard that I think would be fun to put in your entryway. Let's take a look at that one. Isn't it adorable? So just think of all the quotes you can put on this. You can put your family name. You can put, fun messages when you have people visiting. Any number of things. The letterboard is also perfect decor for your kitchen. Are you guys getting the idea here? You can put it in any room in the house. So here's a fun one that we did up and we put in our little Journey Station break room, but we kind of have it set up as a kitchen area. And all you coffee lovers out there can relate to this one, right? Love that one so much. That is like a quote that I can live by for sure. And we have one last letterboard to show you. I'm actually going to show you the actual one that I created and my fun little craft room rules. So you guys check this out in real life. We're going to have to zoom out to get it on the camera. So this is a fun one that I made for our craft room here at the Journey Station. Doesn't it have all the important things on it, right? Craft room rules: share, craft your day away, and always remember to put things back. People around the station tease me because they say, you're allowed to go in the craft room and craft all you want as long as you put things back. So I'm like, yes, you guys are catching on. Very good. So I did create this letter board. We'll have a shot of it in the craft room here. So cute, right? So just imagine, even if you're a journey coach and you took this letter board on the road with you and you put some fun things about events that you're having, you could put amazing messages like, join my team, join us on the journey. Oh my gosh, my mind is just spinning with all the fun messages you can put on this. So I hope that you've enjoyed learning a little bit more about our journey letter board, and seeing it in real life is so much better than seeing it on a catalog page. So I'm super excited to share that with you. If you want more information on the letter board, you can visit us at funstampersjourney.com. And if you have a coach, she can absolutely hook you up with one of these letter boards. If you don't, you can also find a coach at that same website. So thanks so much for tuning in, and we'll be back with you with another product spotlight soon. Thanks.